Hey, today I'm going to show you how to get a Real Steel World robot boxing modded version for iPhone and Android with unlimited resources. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So basically there's a site called hexmods.com. They have all the modded apps you could want, and one of them is the Real Steel World robot boxing modded version. So let's go to the search bar and we're going to type in world. And as you can see, there it is, the robot boxing modded version. So press the down button to begin the download of the mod. This mod download is involving zero computer, zero wire, and zero jailbreak. So let's just download it right here, as you can see. Now before it downloads, there is one more step, guys, which is the verification, where we have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions 100% free from official app store. This is just to ensure you're human. It's very simple to do, don't cry, but some people do get mad because they see the apps and the apps and it doesn't work. Now the reason it doesn't work is because they didn't read the instructions. Family Island, reach level 10. WGT Golf, reach level 10. TikTok, down to run for 30 seconds. So you pick the app you want to do, you press tap to install, and what it will do, guys, is it's going to redirect you straight to the app store. So there you go. So I'm going to see you guys later. I did the Family Island one where you have to reach level 10, but it's pretty easy. So yeah, as long as you guys follow the process, you guys should be good to go. They are not very angry or anything, so you guys should be all set. But yeah, it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoy to play Real Steel World robot boxing, because this modded version is so insane, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, tell your friends, because what happens is they don't know and they just paying money, real world money, for in-app purchases. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys, and it's totally updated and everything. I mean, I've been on the hunt and I now have access to the Real Steel World robot boxing modded version, bro.